If your Epic Games launcher is acting up, not opening properly, freezing, or showing weird login issues, this quick fix can help you get back into your games fast. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Epic Games error today using a simple reset process that clears the launcher cache and gives it a clean restart. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, you want to make sure the Epic Games launcher is completely closed. Don't just minimize it or click the X if it's still running in the background. To fully shut it down, press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape on your keyboard to open Task Manager. Once Task Manager opens, look through the processes list for anything related to Epic Games Launcher. If you see an Epic task still running, right-click it and choose End Task. You want to make sure every Epic process is fully stopped before moving on, because if the launcher is still active, the next steps may not work properly. Now that Epic is fully closed, we're going to clear the launcher cache. This is one of the most common fixes for Epic Games errors, because corrupted cache files can stop the launcher from loading correctly or cause login problems. To do this, press the Windows key and R at the same time. This opens the Run box. In the field, type % or local AppData %, then press Enter. This will take you directly into your local AppData folder. Inside this folder, look for the Epic Games Launcher folder. Open it, then go into the Saved folder. In here, you should see a folder called Webcache. This is the cache folder we want to remove. Right-click the Webcache folder and delete it completely. If there are any similar cache folders, you can delete those too. But the main one you need is Webcache. Clearing this folder forces Epic Games Launcher to rebuild fresh cache files the next time it starts, which often fixes loading errors, broken screens, and login issues. After deleting the cache, close out of File Explorer and go back to your desktop. Now find your Epic Games Launcher shortcut. Right-click it and select Run as Administrator. Running the launcher as administrator gives it the permissions it needs to rebuild properly and can help create a clean login bridge when the app starts again. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. Give Epic a moment to load. The first startup after clearing the cache may take a little longer than usual, and that's completely normal. Once it opens, sign in if needed and check whether the error is gone. In many cases, this simple method is enough to fix launcher problems without reinstalling anything. It's quick, safe, and usually one of the first things you should try when Epic Games starts acting strange. If the launcher opens correctly now, try launching your game and make sure everything works as expected. If it still gives you trouble, you may need to repeat the cache clear step or check for Windows updates. But in most cases, this fix solves the issue right away. If this video helped you fix the Epic Games error today, please hit the like button so more people can find this solution, and subscribe for more simple tutorials and PC fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.